This is one of those roads you'd take to get to your, to the people that are on the trains. It should be off it soon.
That's what.
Oh, watch the bunnies! It's a bunny right in the middle of the road.
He's gone.
There's bunnies all over the place.
What?
Right?
This is really strange. Because the GPS took me here. It really did.
Sure, Jan.
It's sending me in circles. Literally.
It is.
It is sending me in circles, Jan. What the fuck are we gonna do?
We're stuck.
What are we going to do? Because look at the gas.
Okay.
We're fucked. It sends us in a circle. Should I go this way?
Okay, let me do this. Let's do that. All right. It says go that way.
Yeah, but it'll send me in a circle again.
I say go back that way.
There's nothing there. I think I should go this way. And I should see what's that way. Do you get what I'm saying? Because that is just, there's nothing there to get through. I gotta see what's up.
Take a right. Because we took a left last time.
You took a left last time, yeah.
No. Can you go? No, you can.
No, it's closed here, too.
Yeah.
Jesus fuck. We're done. What is this? I have never seen anything like this in my life, and the GPS took me here.
Yeah, just go straight. Just listen to me.
Okay, fine.
And my instincts,
I am
okay?
Listen to you, yeah. Go ahead. What do you want?
Keep going straight.
Okay, fine. The highway is there.
I'm trying to get you to a road. You don't want to come back to this.
Never.
Okay.
Never. Now I'm going straight.
Yes.
Yeah, we were around here.
No, just stop and just listen to me.
All right. Keep going this way? Okay.
Yes.
All right.
There should be, you can turn a left over there. So turn left.
Here? Okay.
Yes.
All right. This is train tracks. Oh my God. I'm really starting to get anxious now.
Just calm down. We're going to find a way.
There is a trail here.
Yep. Keep going that way.
Okay.
You see how there's cars?
Yeah, I see that. Why did this take me here?
I don't know. Keep going this way.
This way?
Yep.
Okay.
Keep going straight.
All right.
Yep. Go this way.
This way? Okay.
Yep.
Man, you went down these roads. Taking care of the guys?
Just listen to my instincts about this. I've done this very well.
All right. Yeah, you have. I think we're coming up on road, I think.
Yep. See?
Oh.
Just go slow on this.
Jesus Christ. How deep is this?
Jesus fuck. There you go.
That's an angel that helped that.
There you go.
Well, we took this up. It's more train tracks, Shanny.
Okay. Oh my God.
This is fucking insane. It put me on train tracks, dude. How did this happen?
Go that way.
Okay. I'm still using my turn signals. How do I get out of here? This is fucking insane.
It looks like I think.
What?
I think they go off that way.
Shanny, that's literally under a bridge, Shan.
I know. I'm trying to help.
I know you are.
Keep going this way. See what happens. I don't know.
Oh my God.
This is so No, don't go down there. Go there.
Up here?
Yes. Oh my God, this is insane.
This is a dump.
The GPS took me here. It's still trying to send me to Central Avenue.
There's Ferguson. Oh man, if you could only oh.
Jesus Christ.
Fuck. We are in so much fucking shit.
Do you think, Shanny? This is really bad. Wait.
Trying to get down there, and then you can get out.
I don't even think these train tracks are used. Wait, I mean, there's a line. There is a line.
Just pay attention to the road.
I'm not moving, Shanny, barely, so it's fine.
Oh my God, Jesus Christ.
How long could this go?
Can you help us, Jesus?
Oh my God, it's a fucking bridge over it. Look at this. This is just a bridge for a train. How did... Look, I have to go back to that thing and get on the ramp, Shanny.
Yeah.
Because this is obviously fucking insane. Okay, okay. Alright, I'm gonna go over here.
Oh my God, Jesus. Oh God, there is a huge fucking
What? What?
Just don't back up that much. Keep going forward a little bit more. Trust me.
Okay, fine.
Now go back a little bit, just a little bit.
I gotta turn the wheel, Shanny.
Yeah, I know. I don't want to go down the hill.
I thought I was stuck. Okay. All right. Can't do it yet. I got it.
Oh my God, this is the most awfulest thing I think we've ever done.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, stop.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Jesus.
All right. This is called off-roading. Holy shit.
We gotta try to get off this fucking road, dude.
Why is this off-ramp? I mean...
I really think it's better.
I wish there was a way we could get in there. We could get the fucking, road on there. Okay, just keep...
What, hun?
Just keep going. Watch out for those.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to. This is insane.
Right?
This is all dilapidated bridges that they don't even drive on.
Right?
Oh my God.
I say... Jesus Christ.
I'm really getting scared. I don't know where to go.
I don't know where to go either. Alright. We shouldn't be driving here.
I know that.
Okay.
I don't know where to go though, Shannon.
Okay.
I really don't know what to do.
Okay. Keep going. We have no place to go but forward. I'm just trying to figure out how to fucking get off this.
Why did it take me here?
I don't know. This is so fucking dangerous.
Yeah, I know it is. I'm going to say that that's actually accurate, Zach, because why did it take me here? It took me off the highway completely. I can't. Please, Jesus.
Please, Jesus.
There be a road down here. Oh my God, is that a road?
It might be.
Or is that train track?
Just be careful.
This is so fucking crazy.
Can you move over a little bit more? Thank you. Oh my God. Try to go over them.
Over them.
Oh God.
No. That's it. No. We're wrecked. We're wrecked.
Oh fuck.
No. That's it. We're wrecked.
Jason,
What?
call the cops.
Yeah, we're calling the cops. We're calling
Wait,
the cops.
1 minute.
It's on the run, shit. my God,
We did
she's fucking badass.
Oh my God.
We're still stuck, Phil, dude. Okay, no, maybe not. We can get over here. Baby girls. Gavin, that's the poor boy.
We got a flat tire.
We have a flat tire.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus, it's on 0. Yeah, we need to get, yeah.
Call the cops. Oh my God. Move forward over there.
Okay.
And go over there. Oh.
Well, we're staying in Kansas City. Looks like
I just pushed that fucking car.